How to install IPA file on iPhone step by step. Need to install an IPA file on your iPhone. Here's how to do it safely and step by step. First, make sure you have the IPA file downloaded on your computer. You'll also need a tool like alt-store or sideloadly. Both are free and work on Windows and Mac. Let's use alt-store as an example. Start by installing alt server on your computer from altstore.io. Once installed, connect your iPhone via USB and open alt server. On your iPhone, install the alt-store app using alt server and just click install alt-store and choose your device. Now on your iPhone, open alt-store. Go to the My Apps tab and tap the plus icon. Browse and select the IPA file you downloaded earlier. alt-store will sign and install the app using your Apple ID. After a few seconds, the app will appear on your home screen, ready to use. Just make sure to re-sign it every 7 days unless you're using a developer account, which allows it to stay connected. And that's it. You've successfully installed an IPA file on your iPhone. Thanks for watching.